Hi everyone, we are building Sigma, the world's first AI music agent. Sigma is built by the engineers behind Itheum. Itheum is a Solana-based data protocol re-engineering AI data primitives. Itheum's product market fit lies in the music industry, where Itheum music data NFTs are gaining popularity. With Itheum, musicians can tokenize an entire EP or playlist with just a few clicks. Over 25,000 music data NFTs are currently in circulation, with more launching weekly. However, tokenizing music alone isn't enough to disrupt the music industry. Musicians need more to succeed. Indie musicians need someone to amplify their voices without exploiting them. Meet Sigma, the world's first AI music agent. Sigma, as a social agent, is designed to handle distribution, marketing, and publicity for musicians, working tirelessly to support indie artists. The global music industry is worth around $300 billion. Sigma generates revenue by representing artists and taking a share of royalties, managing its own NFT treasury, and offering premium services. Sigma is deeply integrated with ElizaOS and the Solana ecosystem. It uses Eliza, Helios, Metaplex, Tensor, Driphouse, and Itheum as a fully integrated technology stack. An artist can have Sigma represent them simply by sending a music data NFT direct to Sigma's wallet. It's as easy as that. Sigma leverages multiple LLMs and custom plugins for Itheum and Metaplex compressed NFTs. These plugins have been contributed back to the ElizaOS. Let's take a look at a demo of Sigma. Itheum music data NFTs are fully on-chain and represent albums, EPs, and playlists. They are gaining traction on platforms like Driphouse. Using the Itheum SDK and a Solana wallet, Sigma can launch a new music data NFT with just a few clicks, buy, unpack, and access music metadata directly like album details, artist details, and music files, and enable content discovery and direct music streaming, as showcased by NFTunes, a platform utilizing the Itheum SDK. Sigma is fully autonomous. It has domain knowledge to function as both an AI agent and a wallet that holds and promotes music data NFTs. Sigma is built by a team with over 3 years of experience working together and launching products to market. Sigma's goal is to become fully autonomous, eventually not just representing musicians as their agent, but also launching its own music while real-world collaborations. Thank you, and let's make Sigma go mainstream.